Welcome to PTE Practice.
From the test memory.
Before we consider international environmental law and climate change, we need to consider domestic legislations, and it is within the sovereign state that international law is put into practice. This reflects the environmentalist maxim, think globally, act locally. United Kingdom legislative control over the impacts of man's activity on the environment is not new. As long ago as the region of Charles II, the main concern was the production of smoke from the burning of sea coal. Almost all areas of trade and industry were subject to very detailed legislative controls at the time, although some were governed by self-regulation in the form of a guild, who regulated both supply and method of production. However, the measures implemented were mostly ineffective, because then, as now, they specified the legal duties and standards without providing any appropriate enforcement, merely indicating good intentions, but were little practice effect. The next stage was prompted by the industrial revolution of the urbanization of society and its profound impact of the environment. Local industrialists used the Adam Smith model to maximize their economic benefit, but this was to the detriment of the local environment with the operation of Graham's law, that is, the bad drives out the good. Those industrialists who were concerned with either the health of their employees or the local environment faced higher costs than their competitors. The result was the need of increasing comprehensive statutory controls on the discharge of pollutants into various receiving media.